In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to draw cross section of a conical hill. As you can see in the diagram, there are concentric circles. These concentric sets of circles together represents a conical hill. Here each line is a contour line having a specific value. Like the lowest value is 100 and the value is gradually increasing towards inward while the maximum value is 600. Now for drawing the cross section, at first you have to draw a section line passing through middle of the diagram. That is section line A, B. Then at the bottom you have to draw one box like this. Then at the bottom you have to write A dash and B dash. This is the base of the diagram. After doing it, what you have to do, you have to subdivide the side at an interval of 1 centimeter. Here I am subdividing at an interval of 1 centimeter like this. I will do a total 7 division. Similar way on this side also I have to do the subdivision. After doing the subdivision, what you have to do, you have to join it by using the scale. By using the scale, you have to join it. After joining it with the help of the scale, what you have to do, you have to write the value of each lines. The lowest line, the base line is 0. This line A dash B dash is 0 and the line above it is 100, then 200. Like this you have to write the value and the value will increase upwards. Similarly, on this side also you have to do the same. You write the values like this. After writing the value, what you have to do, you have to put the unit that represents the value on both the sides. Here the unit is meter. Because in my earlier video, I have said that we represents or we measure height by using the unit meter. So in this way, you put the unit. Now you have to draw the profile. How to draw it? Very simple way. You have to draw the perpendiculars. Like at first I will draw perpendicular from this point, that is 600. On this side also you have to drop the perpendicular. The section line is meeting this figure at a specific points. Section line AB. From this specific point you have to drop the perpendiculars on the line that I have drawn below. Then you have to draw from 500. If you draw from 500, after finishing 500, you have to draw the same thing from 400. Cut.